Tell yourself with that.
That's why I feel bad.
Speak English, man. Speak English, man.
Italian, you people are roasting me. Why?
Ah!
Let's try out the meat.
Eating meat sexy.
Still the adventures of Jazzy. We are in Owena Ijesha, Osun State, and it's early morning. We are out looking for what to eat, so come along.
070.
So we've got a lot of people here.
37.
This is Teresa.
81.
That's the
76.
That's Opa. No Ato now. You guys know Ato. And we've got Danny here.
You not call my name?
I've already called your name. Which one do you want?
May you rest.
Which one I want Ike? How's the food now? Just the chop. No, you don't even.
No review.
No review, nothing.
No, maybe because he has always been so she review.
Oh yeah, where is the fufu? Bring the fufu, bring the fufu. Soup. Oh, this is breakfast, guys, and this is fufu. A lot of you guys know fufu. Yeah, fufu is popular. I'm going to be having it with egusi and ewedu. I told them to mix it, so I'm going to have a mixture of that. Opa is not waiting for anybody. He's just preparing his food. Yeah. Check out the soup. It's lovely. Food. Will it be enough for you?
It's because I've been able to flush this system.
Let me wash my hand. Yeah. Let's have breakfast. This fufu is nice. Feels like sweet light pounded yam.
You big. You the one.
Now this is a mixture of egusi soup and ewedu. I will not die.
No, then you just put.
Shebi is just purge.
It's just put.
I will not die. The fufu is fluffy. Like, it's really nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, this time around, I will not be eating just once. Like I will be eating and this is my soup. This is 3 minutes. So,
A lot of content creators in the house.
with 3 minutes. She will capture what she lost. Okay, I know for you.
The fufu is so nice, well shaped.
Yeah.
The fufu is soft, like it's like feeling like poundo. Like
Really?
yeah, it's very nice.
Come and feel it.
Many is the only food we do.
Let's try out the meat.
No, you will come back to it. You know, I didn't do it to me. Yeah, it was got the best.
Your food is not that good.
This is fufu.
Don't worry, I actually stopped before saying that.
We have to point it.
Adido.
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 Adido came out.
Came after
So, we have Teresa, Adido, eating embark. I don't know if you eat embark. I thought you were butty. I thought she's butty. To my surprise, she's eating embark and
Egusi.
why didn't you put away? You're asking me if you look like butty. You speak English, but you want to compare yourself with Jazzy.
This one is ras.
Speak English, man. Speak English, man.
Eternal, you people are roasting me. Why?
Because they can.
The way Jazzy is rat.
Because he accepted last night. When I told you he was rat, he said he was.
I'm a local person. I'm a
And the
local
mountain
people.
of Fufu is eating.
I've already finished the mountain. The mountain was more than this. But we go.
Eating meat sexy.
It's not me that was
Nice.
Yes. Maybe it's those
It's not smelling.
I never have taste. I'm
This is actually nice. And the texture is like you are eating pounded.
No, this is Yoruba.
It has stayed days. That's why.
Then some of them they don't wash the cassava very well because of water, so it will smell.
This food is actually nice.
It's like palm oil. You know that there's some palm oil that smells.
Yeah.
Why? Because they don't wash it well. Yeah. So it will definitely smell like the palm oil. I don't eat their palm oil. Once you cook with it, you will still perceive the smell. Like it's so terrible.
So you are breathing up. What's happening to you?
Chicken marrow to jẹun.
Do you want to choke?
Bí mo ṣe máa ń jẹun nìyẹn, chicken máa sáré jẹun ni.
In case you cannot finish your meat, you can bring it over here.
Meat every buy more.
This thing go. The fufu go. You don't have to want extra meat.
Bring meat.
They play my fans.